Hello everyone! Welcome to English 5 virtual class. I am Teacher Rhea Villostas, and today I will be teaching you how to write a paragraph showing cause and effect relationship. Are you ready? That's great! Let's start! So before we start learning on how to write paragraphs showing cause and effect relationship, let us first sing along with this song.
Cause and effect, cause and effect. First the cause, then the effect. The cause is what happens, the result is the effect. Cause and effect, cause and effect. If you poke a balloon, the balloon will pop. Cause and effect, cause and effect. If you step in a puddle, your shoes get wet. Cause and effect, cause and effect. If you turn on the fan, you'll feel wind all around. Cause and effect, cause and effect. If you turn on the light, the room will be bright. Cause and effect, cause and effect. If you press the switch, you can communicate. Cause and effect, cause and effect. Cause and effect, cause and effect. First the cause, then the effect. The cause is what happens, the result is the effect. Cause and effect, cause and effect. Cause and effect, cause and effect.
I hope you are energized with that song. This time, let us know first what cause and effect is. So what is cause and effect? Cause and effect is the relationship between two things wherein one thing makes something else happen. Meaning to say, when we say cause, this is the reason why something happens. And when we say effect, this is the result caused by something. So let us have this example. Because people neglect following health protocols such as social distancing, hand washing, and wearing of face mask and face shield, COVID-19 cases continue to rise. So in this sentence, we will answer two questions. First, what happened? And second, why did it happen? Now, can you give me the answer to the first question? Yes, your answer is correct. What happened is COVID-19 cases continue to rise, and we call that the effect. For the second question, why did it happen? Can you give me the answer? Yes, your answer is also correct. Because people neglect following health protocols such as social distancing, hand washing, and wearing of face mask and face shield. That is the answer to the question, why did it happen? And we call that the cause. See, identifying the cause and effect isn't hard at all. All you have to do to find the effect is to ask yourself, what happened? And to find the cause, you just need to ask yourself, why did it happen? What's the reason why something happened? So you must also remember that there are signal words or clue words being used in stating the cause and the effect. Now let us have first the signal words that are used in stating the cause. What are those signal words? So those are because, since, due to, and for. While in stating the effect, these signal words are being used. As a result, so, so that, consequently, thus, and therefore. How about you try determining the cause and effect in the following sentences that I will be showing you? Are you ready? Alright, let us have the first sentence. If your immune system is weak, you will be easily infected with COVID-19. Which is the cause and which is the effect? Let us have first the cause. So which is the cause? Yes, your answer is correct. If your immune system is weak, that is the cause. And there is a signal word used in that cause. And the signal word is, yes, the word if. That's good. How about the effect? Which one is the effect? Your answer is correct. You will be easily infected with COVID-19. That is the effect. Let us now have sentence number 2. Hospitals are full because of pandemic. Which is the cause and which one is the effect? Now, tell me which one is the effect. Yes, your answer is correct. Hospitals are full. That is the effect. Now, what is the cause? Why hospitals are full? Yes, your answer is also correct. Because of pandemic. That is the cause. There is a signal word or a clue word used in this sentence. And that is the word because. That word shows a sign of a cause. I think you are now ready to learn how to write paragraphs showing cause and effect. Now, in writing a cause and effect paragraph, there are steps that we need to follow. First, determine the cause and the effect. Ask, why did this happen? And what happened next? For the second step, organize the main idea and the supporting details using a graphic organizer. Okay, so for one cause with multiple effects, you can place it in a graphic organizer like this one. And for one effect with multiple causes, you can place it in a graphic organizer like this. So here are some examples of graphic organizers that are used to show the causes and effects. And the third step, use transition or signal words to show cause and effect relationship. Now, what are those signal words used in showing cause and effect? So, for the cause, we have because, since, due to, and for. And for the effects, we have so, so that, thus, therefore, consequently, and as a result of. Now take a look at this example showing single cause with multiple effects. As you see in this graphic organizer, there is a single cause with multiple effects. And the given cause is COVID-19 pandemic. The effects are lockdown, People lost their jobs because businesses are closed. Education is shifted to distance learning modalities. And hospitals are full. And people got sick. And some have died. So these are the given effects. So to write this information into a paragraph, begin with a topic sentence which is about COVID-19 pandemic. And this should be followed by the supporting details, which are the effects. This is the sample paragraph converted from the ideas listed in the graphic organizer. Let me read the paragraph. Last year, Philippines was struck with COVID-19 pandemic. Ever since, a lot has changed. Because infection rose at a high rate, the country declared a lockdown, which required people to stay at home, especially the elderly and the minors. Many lost their jobs because businesses are closed. Even the education system got affected. It shifted to distance learning modalities such as modular and online learning. Because of the spread of infection, hospitals are full. Many got sick and some have died. This is the new normal, and I wonder if we could possibly go back to how things used to be before the pandemic. So in the paragraph, our topic sentence is found in the first sentence. And that sentence is, last year, Philippines was struck with COVID-19 pandemic. Then I added a simple transitional sentence. And this sentence is, ever since, a lot has changed. Then it is followed by the first effect, which is introduced by a clause. That clause is, because infection rose at a high rate. So what happened? The country declared a lockdown which required people to stay at home, especially the elderly and the minors. And that is the effect. It is then followed by the next effect, which is many lost their jobs because businesses closed. And then transitional sentence was added, which is even the education system got affected. This is to introduce the next effect, which is education is shifted to distance learning modalities such as modular and online learning. Then the fourth effect follows, and that is because of the spread of infection, hospitals are full. Then the last effect follows, and that is many got sick and some have died. So after stating the effects, it is summed up by a concluding statement. And the concluding statement is, this is the new normal, and I wonder if we could possibly go back to how things used to be before the pandemic. This time, I have a short paragraph and a graphic organizer. I want you to read it and organize the ideas in the graphic organizer. I will be giving you 5 minutes to do this. Are you ready? Okay, let's start.
Cause and effect, cause and effect. First the cause, then the effect. The cause is what happens, the result is
right, are you done? Let us check your work. But before that, let us read first the paragraph. When people cut down trees to clear land, they destroy the habitats of birds. This reduces the number of nest sites. As a result, fewer baby birds are hatched, and the bird population declines. Now, we will identify the cause and the effects. Let us now write the cause and the effects in the graphic organizer. Okay, which one is the cause? Yes, you are correct. People cut down trees. That is the cause. And the effects are, first, the habitats of birds are destroyed. Second, the number of nest sites is reduced. Third, fewer baby birds are hatched. And lastly, the bird's population declines. Did you get all the correct answers? Wow, you are definitely learning fast. I'm excited to see how you can write a paragraph on your own showing cause and effect relationship. Are you ready? Yes, it's just easy. You just need to remember the 3 steps. First, determine the cause and effect. Second, organize the main idea and the supporting details using a graphic organizer. And third, use transition or signal words to show the cause and effect relationship. Now it's your turn to write a paragraph showing a cause and effect relationship. Your work will be graded using these rubrics. All right, this is what you are going to do. Write a paragraph with at least 3 coherent sentences showing cause and effect. You are going to use the graphic organizer as your guide. You're going to write your answer in 1/2 crosswise sheet of paper. So, I will give you 5 minutes to do this activity.
Cause and effect, cause and effect. First the cause, then the effect. The cause is what happens, the result is the effect. Cause and effect, cause and effect.
Are you done? You may submit your work later. For now, I am going to show you how those information may be organized for your reference. So your answers do not have to be the same as the paragraph that I will be showing. So this is the paragraph. When people pollute rivers, they destroy the habitats of fish. This reduces the number of fish that can reproduce. As a result, fewer fish are born in fresh water and the fish population declines. And that's it! Congratulations! You have learned how to write a paragraph showing cause and effect relationship. I hope to see you again on our next English 5 virtual class. Again, this is Teacher Rhea. Thank you and goodbye!